Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is a special episode. It's a Christmas special episode actually. And in today's episode, I'm going to share with you some DIY Christmas gift ideas. Now, these are some things that you can make yourself and gift it to the people that you love, and things that will actually come in use and something that people would want. So, I'm not going to take any time. I'll take you straight into the video and we'll see how each of these items are made. So for the body scrub, you will need brown sugar, coffee, coconut oil and almond oil. Combine all these ingredients together in a bowl. And give all of them a good stir. Make sure that you're mixing all these ingredients really well together. And that's it, your coffee scrub is ready to go. Transfer the scrub into a jar. And now to decorate it, I've taken a nice printed napkin and I'm cutting out a big circle which is larger than the cap of the jar. Also, I'm writing a name tag and I'm going to attach this to the jar using a natural twine. Cut this twine according to the length that you want and then put the napkin and wrap it around with the twine, attaching the name tag to it. I've taken a pillar candle here and with the help of a masking tape, I'm dividing the area that I want to cover up with glitter. Next, apply a layer of Mod Podge or clear glue to the candle and then start sprinkling the golden glitter on top of it. Once done, leave that to dry for a few minutes and then with the help of a sponge, apply one more layer of the Mod Podge. For the candle stands, I'm going to work with POP here. So take 2/3 part of POP and you will require about 1/3 part of water for it. But keep adding a little water and mixing the POP till you reach a consistency of a thick paste. Next, I'm going to take some black acrylic paint and just add a little bit of it to the POP mixture. Now with the help of a stick, swirl the paint around in the POP just to create a marble-like pattern. Use your desired mold and fill this mixture into it. Now POP is a little tricky to work with since it dries off really fast, so make sure that you're quick with your actions. Once you've filled the molds, give it a gentle tap to settle down the mixture and top it off with tea light candles and leave it to dry for 24 hours. For the sachets, I've taken some smaller bits of potpourri and topped it off with some lavender essence and given them a good mix. To make the sachets, I'm using a burlap lace that I have. You can use any piece of burlap and cut it into a pocket size. Using glue, stick the sides of the burlap lace together so that we form an open sachet. To make it a little more pretty, I'm using a felt sheet here and I'm going to draw a Christmas tree on it. Cut it off and paste it on the sachet that we just made. Once the glue dries, Place the potpourri inside the sachet. And then seal off the open side with the glue as well. Using a satin ribbon, I'll create a hanger for the sachet. So I'm tying both the ends of the ribbon together and then using something sharp, pierce a hole through the sachet and pass the ribbon through it. And you're done. For the hot chocolate, you require some creamer or dairy whitener, hot chocolate, some marshmallow, and a bottle. Fill these ingredients in the bottle. So first the creamer, then some hot chocolate, and lastly add the marshmallows. To decorate the bottle, I'm going to repeat the same steps that I did for the cap of the coffee scrub. For the mug, take some warm water in a bowl that you wouldn't mind spoiling a little and take nail polish of your choice and add drops of nail polish onto the water. Once you have the desired amount of color on the water, take a ceramic mug and insert it in such a way that the color sticks to the cup. Now this should create a marble effect on the cup as well, but mine did not go as desired. So what I did was I took a stick and with the help of it, I spread the nail polish color onto the mug, giving it an abstract pattern. To finish it off, I added a layer of Mod Podge and glitter with the help of a sponge. For this dish, I'm using some clay here. I will leave a link to all the items used in this video in the description box below. Roll out this clay into a thin to medium layer. I want to make this dish in a leaf pattern, so I'm using a leaf and I'm tracing the clay onto it. Chop off all the excess clay. Take a bowl and place a sheet of plastic on it and then place the clay with the leaf on top of it. I'm putting a plastic beneath because I want to give the tray an uneven texture, and the bowl is going to help give the shape to this tray. Leave this to dry for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove the leaf while the clay is semi-dry. And again leave it to dry for a couple of hours. Once the dish is dry, you can paint it with the color of your choice. I'm using a green acrylic paint here and I have done about 3 layers of paint on this tray. Once that dries off, you can use a golden color paint to give an outline to this leaf. Lastly, seal it off with a layer of Mod Podge and leave it to dry for a few minutes. before going, I would like to wish each and every one of you a very, very happy Christmas and wish you guys a very successful and wonderful year ahead. Now, if you like my work, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon if you want to get notified every time I upload a video. I will see you guys very, very soon. Till then, bye-bye.